Congratulations to the kickers who have just actually received awards. And now we'll be getting to those who are able to kick the ball. We're going to be getting into the award of the best ball kicker for the under 6. And please help me with a round of applause welcoming on the stage Mrs. Sylvia Masengo.
MC, thank you very much for the opportunity to talk to my young kickers. Today is the day we are happy we are here. Angej, we are PSA! We are PSA! Good. Chairman will be coming very soon. Please, my dear parents, you can sit. Sit down, please. My dear parents, thank you very much for the wonderful opportunity for all of us to be around and to represent these young kickers. As the MC have already indicated, I am just here to let you all know that as we trust our kids with ESA, we are in the right home and we are in the right platform for the betterment of our